Now, repeat after me. Voyage, voyage, voyage. Meaning, a voyage is a long journey, especially one taken by sea or to distant places. In a sentence, the crew prepared for a challenging voyage across the Pacific Ocean. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using voyage. Synonyms: expedition, journey. Antonyms: stay, stopover. Part of speech: voyage is a noun referring to a long journey, especially by sea or to far-off destinations.
Now, repeat after me. Zenith. 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 Meaning. Zenith means the highest point or peak of something, often referring to success or achievement. In a sentence. At the zenith of his career, he was considered the best in the industry. Now it's your turn. Can you use a zenith in a sentence? Comment below with your example. Synonyms: peak, apex. Antonyms: nadir, bottom. Part of speech. Zenith is a noun.
Itinerary. Now repeat after me. Itinerary, itinerary. Meaning: an itinerary is a detailed plan or schedule of a journey, including the places to visit and the times for each activity. In a sentence, the travel agent prepared a comprehensive itinerary for their vacation to Europe. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using itinerary. Synonyms: schedule, agenda. Antonyms: spontaneity, disorganization. Part of speech: itinerary is a noun referring to a planned schedule for a trip or journey. Repeat after me. Nostalgia, nostalgia, nostalgia. Meaning: nostalgia is a sentimental longing or affection for the past, often for a happy memory or experience. In a sentence, looking through old photo albums filled her with nostalgia for her childhood days. Here, nostalgia refers to her fond memories of the past. Let's try another example. The classic songs on the radio brought a wave of nostalgia to everyone in the room. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using nostalgia. Synonyms. Some related terms for nostalgia are sentimentality, excessive tenderness or affection for the past. Reminiscence, the act of recalling past experiences. Antonyms. The opposite of nostalgia would be indifference, lack of interest or feeling toward the past. Forgetfulness, the inability to remember or care about past events. Part of speech. Nostalgia is a noun referring to a longing or wistful affection for the past. Wane. Now repeat after me. Wane, wane, wane. Meaning: wane means to decrease in size, strength, or intensity. In a sentence, his enthusiasm for the project began to wane after months of hard work. Now it's your turn. Can you use wane in a sentence? Comment below with your example. Synonyms: diminish, decline. Antonyms: grow, increase. Wane is a verb. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.